In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get live data from website in Power BI. We'll start inside Power BI Desktop. Open the app on your computer and either pick an existing report you want to enrich or create a blank one if you're starting fresh. The process is the same in both cases. The only difference is whether you're adding to a model you already have or building from scratch. Next, decide where your data will come from on the web. You'll need the URL of the page that contains the data you want. In your web browser, search for the information and navigate to a page that shows it clearly, preferably in a table or a structured list. Copy the full address from the browser's address bar. A quick tip here, pages that render tables directly in HTML usually work best. If the site builds the table with heavy scripts or requires extensive interaction, Power BI may not detect the data as cleanly. Jump back into Power BI Desktop. On the home ribbon at the top, select Get Data, then choose Web. A dialog will open asking for a URL. Paste the website address you copied, then select OK. If the site needs credentials, Power BI may prompt you, but for most public data pages, you can connect right away. You'll now see the navigator window, which lists the tables or document elements Power BI found on that page. Click through the items to preview them on the right. This preview lets you confirm that the columns and rows look correct before bringing them in. If multiple tables are available, pick the specific ones that contain exactly what you need. You can select more than one if it makes sense, and you can also use the search box to quickly filter the list of detected tables. When you're satisfied with your selection, click Load. Power BI will connect to the website, retrieve the data, and add it to your report's data model. You'll see new fields appear on the right, ready for visuals, calculations, or further modeling. From now on, each time the report refreshes, it will pull the latest values from that URL so your visuals reflect current data without manual copy and paste. That's it. You opened Power BI Desktop, grabbed a web URL with the data you want, connected through Get Data using the web option, chose the exact tables you need in Navigator, and clicked Load. Save your report, and you're ready to build insights on top of live web data.